Where to do your taxes if you're a Phemex user, a Phemex trader. You've been trading all year and you want to know what is the best tax software, the best tax platform for your cryptocurrency Phemex trades. I will give it to you in this video. I will give you my number one, number two recommendation as quick as I can here. I'll run through everything, and I've basically ran through the top 10 tax software platforms and tried to calculate it with my Phemex yearly trades, deposits, withdrawals, and I've seen which ones can even do it. There's only a couple, and which ones were the most accurate, or which one specifically is the most accurate. Now, right here on softwaretestinghelp.com, they have the top 10, as you can see here. Coinly account, the Coinly's number one. They're saying Cointeen, Token Tax, Zen Ledger, TaxBit, Coin Tracker, or Coin Tracking, Bear Tax, I would say, Crypto Tax Trader. I'm not really too familiar with number 7. Or Coin Tracker I'm familiar with. I guess I'm not familiar with Coin Tracking, what they're saying with that. But that's on softwaretestinghelp.com. Also, we're over here, unfortunately, and they're saying Coinly is also number 1. Crypto Trader Tax, Crypto Tax Calculator, Token Tax, Cointeen, Bear Tax, Zen Ledger, TaxBit, Bitcoin Taxes, Coin Tracker. And like I said, I've gone through most all of these, at least, you know, the top ones, to see which ones can support Phemex, which one's most accurate. And we're going to jump over here. There's 2 ways to import your taxes right here, through CSV files and an API connection. Now, I am only looking for API imports, API connection, for the tax software that I use for Phemex. Why do I do that? It's the easiest. It automatically refreshes. You can refresh it all the time to pull your most recent data, all your trades. It's constantly just grabbing it, you know, off your exchange, off your wallets, all your information that you want them to see for your taxes. So it's not just one spreadsheet that's never changing that you import manually, kind of. Let's see here. Yeah, it minimizes errors, duplicates, missing records, you know, that might be put in twice on a CSV file. Some people don't like it because they literally can jump into your exchange and pull, you know, what you allow them to. So privacy-oriented users don't prefer to use it, but I prefer to use it. You can literally go in your security settings, create an API key, passphrase, and enter it into your exchange, and they can only pull off the information that you want them to. All of them basically you'd set to read only, so they can only look at everything. They can't, you know, make trades, do anything like that. And I mean, we only use reputable tax software here. These are giant, you know, billion-dollar, million-billion-dollar companies, whatever. Pretty safe, pretty secure, and you can also set an expiration for your API. You know, it expires after a week. You can literally delete it as soon as you do your taxes. You can get rid of the API key, and they will not be able to access anything again. You know, so it's pretty secure in all those aspects. CSV file is basically, well, it stands for comma separated values. It's like an Excel spreadsheet, basically a spreadsheet that you go into your exchange and you export your transactions in CSV format. Throughout the year. This kind of, you run into a problem with this because a lot of exchanges, you know, they'll only go back like 3 months, 6 months. They don't even go back the whole year. So you have to manually email the team and then try to get them to, you know, get you your CSV file. You don't know if it's correct. You have to manually go review it all. It's just a major pain for me. I want to do it quick and easy and the most accurate as possible. So you're only looking for, in my opinion, API, Phemex integrations for tax software. All right, let's get rid of that and let's go back here. Let's just run through the list here. Both of these articles, and these are like the top articles when you search on how to do your taxes with any exchange, but this is a Phemex trader video. So this is only going to be geared towards Phemex, doing your taxes on Phemex. So both of them are saying Coinly is number 1. Let's jump over here. I got Coinly open somewhere here. Okay. I'm already on Phemex here. They already support it, but let's go back here. You can search on most of these, you know, if they support it, and they do support Phemex for Coinly. And shows you how to connect. They even have a video. And let's go down here. They do have API. So they have API and CSV on Coinly. And it even tells you how to do it, how to create your API key, API management, stuff like that. So they have API. And before I get into, you know, which one's the best and all that, we're going to run through a few more of these. Just a couple more. You know, I won't waste your time on all of these. And number 2, Crypto Tax Trader, and this one's saying a Cointeen. So let's go over to a Cointeen first. Do they have Phemex? No, they do not. Let's get rid of a Cointeen. Do not use it for Phemex. And what was the other one here? Crypto Tax Trader. I got that open somewhere here, guys. Crypto Trader Tax. Do they have Phemex? Let's look on here under the P's, and they do not. They do not have Phemex integration. You know, both of these ones you can still import it through CSV manually, you know, without naming exchange, or just do it like that. You can still, you know, import your CSV file on these. I should say that it's not like you can't do it, but it does not have API, and it doesn't even have them listed on here. So I would just avoid these. Let's avoid Crypto Trader Tax. All right, so we got rid of Crypto Trader Tax, Cointing. That was these recommendations. Crypto Tax Calculator and Token Tax. These articles are giving. So let's go over to Token Tax. Do they have Phemex? Yes, they do. They support Phemex on Token Tax. But they do not have API. They don't have API when it comes to Token Tax. Token Tax was my favorite for Bybit in a previous video. You might want to check that out if you're a Bybit trader. Token Tax was 100% the best, most accurate for Bybit, and they do have API for Bybit, but they do not have Phemex even on here. Now you can still do it, you know, upload through CSV. Does not have API, and that's what I'm looking for in this video. So do not use Token Tax specifically for only Phemex. Which other one do we say? Token Tax and Zen Ledger. Okay, so Token Tax was like the same recommended, number 3, I believe. Zen Ledger, let's check it out here. Phemex does not come up. It does not support Phemex for API. You still do it through CSV manually, but I mean, it doesn't even come up. A lot of these, it does come up, and you can import only CSV, but I wouldn't use Zen Ledger. It doesn't even pop up for Phemex. Let's see here. Token Tax. Accounting, we already ran through. Okay, Bear Tax is the next recommended one, and this one is TaxBit. So let's just go through Bear Tax. Supported exchanges. They do not have Phemex. They do not have Phemex for API. You still do it CSV, but I would not do it on Bear Tax. Let's get rid of Bear Tax. So the other one was TaxBit. Let's search. They do not have Phemex. So no Phemex for TaxBit. Let me run through it. I thought they did have it. I guess they don't, but I think they did list it when you search. Just, you know, you can upload it through CSV, I thought. For TaxBit, I swear they had it. Where am I on here? Let's see. Yeah, search exchanges. Individual exchange network. Well, that's what I'm on here. So I guess they don't have Phemex. I thought they did. I couldn't remember if it was this one or another one I was thinking. They don't have Phemex. You can still do CSV. They do not have API. So let's get rid of TaxBit. But this is one of my top recommendations, TaxBit, for other cryptocurrency tax transactions. So let's see, Coinly here. And the only one we haven't ran through on this list, some of these I didn't, but just the top ones that I'd recommend. We did Zen Ledger, we did TaxBit. Coin Tracker, I wouldn't really recommend these towards the end here, towards the end of the list. Let's go on Crypto Tax Calculator. Let's search for Phemex. They do have Phemex. And look at here. They do have API and they have CSV. So as you can kind of see, guys, we've narrowed it down to Coinly and Crypto Tax Calculator. These would be my number 1 and number 2 recommendations. Which one is number 1? Coinly. I would 100% recommend doing it through Coinly if you use Phemex. It's my favorite. It's right here. It's one of the top. It is the top recommended for both of these articles that have reviewed them also, and they do support Phemex API and CSV. So I would recommend Coinly if you are specifically a Phemex trader. It's my number 1 recommendation. Number 2 is Crypto Tax Calculator. Like I said, they do support Phemex in both formats here, and it seems to be pretty decent. So there you guys go. Phemex number 1, number 2 recommendations. Going through a top 10 list. I've basically, tried to import my CSV or my API through all these. And I've came up with the number 1 for you guys to save you some time. So like I said, if you like this video, I got a lot of other videos similar to this, but I basically do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market, stuff like that, tutorials, what to buy this year for crypto, please subscribe to my channel, smash up the like button, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.